Chapter number 2, whole numbers. Now today we are going to learn about patterns in whole numbers. This is the third part of the second chapter. Now here arrangement of dots. Now how the dots can be arranged? Let us see. First, every number can be arranged as line. You can see every number can be arranged as a line. Now if here the number 1, we will start from 1, 0, whole number, the first number is 0, but 0 means that we can't draw any dot. So we will start from 1. So for 1 we can draw 1 dot. For 1 dot this line can pass through it. Now for 2 we can draw 2 dots. Now you can see that is in a single one line. For 3 also we can draw 3 dots, 1, 2, 3. That means that one single line we can draw through it. Now for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can see a single line we are drawing. For 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also can be arranged in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 7 same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you can see all the dots are arranged in a single line. That means that every number can be arranged as line. Now second, some numbers can be arranged as squares. Now only some numbers you can arrange them as a square, but for line every number can be arranged. So first with the 2, with 2 we can't make any square, only line we can draw when 2 dots are given. Now directly we will start from the 4, number 4. For 4 we can arrange them in this pattern. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can see we can draw a square out of it. Yes. So first number is 4, where the square you can form out of dots. Now after 4, 5, with 5 you will be not able to draw the square. With 6 also you will be not able to draw the square. With 7 also you will not be able to draw a square. With 8 also you will not be able to draw a square. So directly we come to the 9. All the numbers which will have a square of that only will be possible to arrange them in the square form. Here you can see 9 means 9 dots we will draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you can see they form a square. Yes. Now next number is 16. Here you can see through 16 dots also a square can be drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here you can see all the sides are equal. Yes, all are having 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next will be 25. All the sides having 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Here you can see a square can be drawn out of this dots. Each side is having 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which will be the next number? You have to find out that. Now we will arrange the dots in the rectangular form. Now here some numbers can be arranged as rectangle. Now here you can see we can start from the number 6. With 6, because with 4 we are getting a square. Now we add 2 another dots to get a rectangle over here. For with the number 6 we can form the rectangle. Here you can see a rectangle. Now next rectangle will be formed by adding 2 another dots to the 6. Till here you are having 6 dots, another 2 I am adding, then I am having how many dots? 8 dots. So this 8 you can write as 6 plus 2. Now next again 2 dot I will add to it, then again a rectangle will expand and number 10 you will get. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here also you can see you are able to form a rectangle over here. So 10, how we are getting again 8, in 8 we are adding 2 new dots. So 10 can be written as 8 plus 2. So here you can see a pattern you can get. First number is 6, then 8, then 10. How you are getting? You are adding 2 to each next number. So for getting 8 we have to add 2 to the 6. For getting 10 you have to add 2 with the 8. So next number what you will get? You have to add 10 plus 2 means 12 you will get. Again what 12 you are getting? 12, again you have to add 2 to the 12. So 12 plus 2 will be 14. So next number will be 14. After that 14 plus 2 what you will get? 16. So here next number will be 16. So this is one pattern that you are adding the 2 to each number to get the next number. Now some numbers can be arranged as triangle. Now some numbers are there that at least we have to start from, triangle has 3 sides, so we have to start from the 3 dots. Here you can see 3 dots, 1 2 3, we can make a triangle out of it. Now next we have to make the triangle only. So next we have to add 3 dots to it. So here 1 2 3 already are there, again 3 I will add to it, 1 2 3, then 6 dots are there. So this 6 we are getting when we are adding 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 we are getting 6. Now next can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. How many dots we are getting? 6 we have already. Now with the 6 next step we want another. How many dots we will add? 4 we will add to it, then we will get a larger triangle. So here you can see how many squares, how many dots we need? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now 10, how it can be written? 6 plus 4. You can write 6 plus 4, then you are getting 10. So this, which pattern we are getting? 3. After that we are adding again 3 to it, then we are getting 6. After that we are getting 10 when we are adding 4 to it. So next number if we want, then what is here pattern? First is 3. After that 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now this number we will put over here, 6 plus again after 3 it is 4. So we are getting 10. After 10 plus, here you can see after 3 it is 4. So here it will be 5. 5. So what will be the answer? 15. So here again 15 plus, now here we want pattern. 3 we have added, 4 added, 5 added. Now we will add 6. 6. How much we will get? 5 plus 6 11 21. So here after 10 we will get 15. After 15 we will get 21. So what we are adding? We are adding 3. Over here we have added 3 plus 3. 6 plus 3 we will get 10. 10 plus 4 we will get 15. 15 plus 4 we will get 21. Plus 10 plus 5. Here 4. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and plus 6. Plus you will add 21 plus 6, then the next answer you will get. This is the way that pattern you have to understand. Over here we were adding 2 to each number, but here we are adding what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That way we are adding to find the triangles. Some examples are given in your textbook. Let us see what is given. Now 117 plus 9 is equal to, it can be written as 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. After that 107 plus 10 minus 1. Then 107 plus 10 we can write down. Then what will be the answer? 107 plus 10. The answer will be 127. After that minus 1 as it is we will copy down. So it will be equal to 126. Now directly we can plus them, but through this method you can see that we can easily find out the answer. Now here next step, 170 plus 99. Now 1 9 was there over here. Here we have again written 1 9 with that 1 9. So we are getting 99. Now what changes we have to do according these steps? Let us see. 117 plus 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. So here it was 9, so here it was 10. So here it will be 99, then here it will be 100 minus 1. Now 117 plus 100, the answer will be 227. Here you can observe that here it was 10, then here it is 100, means 1 0 they have attached over with the 10. Now here 127 was there. So here you can see after 1 here what is the changes? The first digit is changed with the 2. Now minus 1 as it is, it will be equal to 226. So very simply we are getting the answer. Only you have to observe that what pattern they are following. Here it was 1 9, so another 9 is added over here. After that 1 0 was there, 10, now here 100, one more 0 is added over here. Now here you can see it was 127, so what we are getting here, after 1 we are getting over here 2. And here again it was 1 and we are getting 2. This little changes are made in the patterns. Now next pattern is given, that 117 minus 9 is given. Here we were adding, here we are subtracting. Then 1 is given to you, that 117 minus 10 minus 1. 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. In one bracket we are writing. After that this minus will come with the 10. So minus 10 and minus minus will become plus. So here plus 1. So 117 minus 10, it will be 107 plus 1 as it is we are writing. So what answer we will get? 107 plus 1, 108. Now let us see what changes will be made in for 99. With 9, here 1 9 was there, so here we are attaching one more 9 with it, so means for 99. What answer we are getting? Again 117 we will write as it is, minus 10 it is there, so it will become 100. 1 0 we have to add to it, minus 1 as it is. Now 117 minus 100 minus minus plus 1, it will be equal to 17. Here you can see 117 minus 100, it will be 17, plus 1 it will be 18. Here you can see the observe the pattern, that here it was 9, here we have taken one more 9 added to it, so 99. Now here it was 1 0 was there, means 10 was there, 2 zeros are there, means 100 is there. That much changes are done. Now here it was 10, here it is 100. Now here it was 107, means 10 was there, and here it is 107, and here it is 17, and here it was 108, and now we are getting 18. These are the changes here, that there are some changes in the patterns. You have to observe them carefully and then only you can get the patterns. Now next is 84 multiplied by 9. So here it will be equal to 84 multiplied 10 minus 1. So for 99 how we can write? 84 multiply, here it was 10, so here it will be 100 minus 1. Next step, if we want to write, then 84 as it is we have to copy down. Now what changes are made over here, that one more 9 is attached with the 9. So here next how many 9 will be there? Here was 1 9, here 2 9, now here 3 times we have to write 9. 1, 2, 2, 3. 84 as it is. Here you can see it was 10. Again 1 0 is added to it, so it will be 100. Now how many zeros will be there? Next we have to write 3 zeros minus 1. So here you can see, here it was 1 0, here 2 zeros, and here 3 zeros. Here 1 9, 2 9s are there, and 3 9 are there. So this way the patterns continue. Exercise 3.3. Here fifth sum is given to you, a pattern is given to you. You have to observe that what changes are done in this pattern in the every step, and write down the another 2 steps over here. Now you can see, first 1 multiply 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 is given. So let us compare this with the next step. Here after 1 they are writing 2. So 12 multiplication sign as it is, 8 is also as it is, plus here they have written it as 2. After 1 2 means the number next to this number that we have to write down over here is equal to 9. Here 98 means minus 1 we have to do and write the number next to it. So here you can see 1 2 12 was there, now 3 we are writing with it. So 123 multiply 8 as it is, plus after 2 we are getting 3, so plus 3 will be equal to 98. 98 is also there. So 8 minus 1 7. So 9 8 7. Now here you can see 1 2 3 till 3 we were having. Now we have to write down 4 over here. 1 2 3 we have to write down in the increasing order. Plus 8 plus after 3 4 is equal to 9 8 7 already are there. We have to write 7 minus 1 6 over here. Here decreasing order we have to take, and here we have to take the increasing order. 1 2 3 4 5. Here 4 till 4 we were having, so we have written 5 over here. Multiply 8 plus 5 is equal to 9 8 7 6 was already there, so here 5 is written. Here you can see 9 8 7 6 5. So what answer will be there over here? We have to write over here 4. Let us write from here. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So next will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Multiplication sign is same. After that 8 is also repeating as it is, so write 8 also as it is, plus sign also as it is. After that 1 2 3 4 5. So next will be 6 is equal to sign as it is. Now here you can see, here 9 8 7 6 5, that means here we have to write 4, and all these numbers we have to copy down as it is. 9 8 7 6 5 and 4. Very simple. Simply you have to observe that what changes are done over here. So for next what we have to write down? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and now 7. Multiplication sign as it is, 8 also as it is, plus also as it is. Now here 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 7 is equal to, here you can see 9 8 7 6 5 4. Now 3 here, till 3 we have to take 9 8 7 6 5 4 3. So the next 2 steps we have written of this pattern. It is very easy.